we got a dog barking. Doing an audio check real quick. I got my new headphone. Yeah, this microphone is gonna fucking blow. I can see that right off the bat. But so anyways, so hello traders, what are we doing? We're checking out ABQQ right at the moment. Let me get back to something else here. Looking at the L2 right now. We do not have an L2. I thought I had one. Um, Over here, we're still on the board. Let's just go to L2. Let me try to find my mouse. Is everything clicking around? Yeah, there we go. So here's our L2 at the moment. Looking at ABQQ. Nothing's showing up because nothing's happening. Um, I told my brother, let's not check that one. This is another one I got a little long shot on this HTCH, and no, that's not it. Okay, I think I kind of did enough. Stop